Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into a quick and easy guide on how to withdraw from Cashbox on Palmpay in 2025. Whether you are in saving for something special or just need some extra cash, this tutorial will walk you through the steps to access your funds seamlessly. Let's get started. Launch the Palmpay app on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you are on the main dashboard, find and tap the My Wallet section. This is where all your financial activities are managed. In the wallet section, select withdraw option. This will lead you to various withdrawal methods available. You can withdraw your funds through the several options. POS agent, visit a nearby Palmpay POS agent. Direct bank transfer, transfer directly to your bank account. Mobile money or linked card, use other linked payment method. Input the amount you wish to withdraw. Make sure you have sufficient funds and are aware of any withdrawal limits. Double check all entered information, including the amount and destination for your funds. For security, you may need to enter your transaction PIN or one time passcode or OTP. Follow the prompts to complete these steps. If you choose a POS agent, simply collect your cash after the transaction is confirmed. For bank transfer, accept your funds to arrive based on the selected method. Some are instant while others may take longer. Be aware of any nominal fees associated with withdrawal, especially when using POS agent. If you encounter any issues or errors during the process, contact Palmpay customer support for assistance. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can easily withdraw from Cashbox on Palmpay in 2025. Remember, managing your finance should be hassle-free, and Palmpay aims to make that possible. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.